Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC, is there a high chance of a squeeze on next week, guys? Let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. Share our details and exactly what we believe. So AMC ended Friday at 1461, guys. Awesome day for the overall market for AMC, for meme stocks. We already know, guys, and we got more to come. This is only the beginning. A lot of people, was expecting for a bloody market on Friday after having a great day on Thursday. And a lot of people is going to be splitting the bloody market on next week. But like I told you guys, I believe the reversal is in full effect. And I don't mean the market is just going to be green, 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 green without no more red. What I mean exactly is a lot of people is expecting for the market to run up temporarily, but to go all the way back down to where we previously was, our lowest points, and even go possibly lower than our lowest points that we reach. I believe that is wrong, guys. I believe the market is ready to make a reversal and it's about to push hard. And as it runs up, of course, it's going to come back down from people setting stop losses, from market makers, from the psychological points of the market, the swings, the choppiness, the up and down. But the thing about the up and down is you're not going to be able to get last week's prices. You're not going to be able to get yesterday's prices, being for the fact that after the market push up, these companies being hit 70, 80, 90% from their highs after they push up 40% in a week. They're going to give back 10, 15, maybe even half, 20% of those gains, maybe even 25. But they will not give back all of those gains after running up, having a crazy spike. It'll give back probably majority half, but it's not going to give up all of it. And that's exactly what we want to see until we, shift into a bullish market. It's not just going to happen in one sudden instance from bearish to bullish. It's going to gradually happen, meaning we're going to continue to create higher lows as the market continues choppiness and volatility. It'll spike up, come back down, give some of the percentage away, but not all of it. Continue to create higher lows as we go into a bullish market, guys. Because like I said, regardless of what the Feds came out and said, in the Fed minutes, that the market was due for a crazy reversal. Being for the fact it was something already beaten up and damaged badly, it's nothing else left for you to do but to kill it all the way completely. In order to kill the stock market all the way completely, they would have to shut it down, stop it from operating, kill all these businesses completely, all along going bankrupt. The market would be over. But that's not happening, guys. That's why I say after, beating it up so badly, it ain't nothing else they could do. So, of course, I always told you guys, the Feds is the dictation of the market. They control what direction they want the market to go in. They want the market to be bearish or bullish. And no individual company having good catalysts, good news, reporting amazing earnings doesn't, justify the market as the Feds do. That company can, report amazing earnings, great catalysts, good news, increasing revenue, increasing traffic, and they still, come down in price action, being for the fact that the Feds are in control. But we know manipulation, tactics, and all this stuff, it always run thin as well. Just as with AMC, even though they manipulating it, once it get too low of a price, that the buying pressure bust pipes is going to override the manipulation and the selling pressure to then make you spike regardless of what's going on. Same thing with the overall market, regardless of what the Fed is trying to do, how they try to bring down the market intentionally from printing all this money, creating this inflation, and now trying to come up with the solution to tame it. They created this problem, and they also want to look as if they be the ones to fix it. And like I say, even then with manipulating the market and bringing it down, they can't bring it down but to such, they can't bring it down but so far unless they kill it dead completely, and they not going to do that. So with that being said, the market was such at low points, regardless of what they was talking about, people is loading up, people is buying like crazy, like never before, being for the fact that they know the market can spike at any moment from here. And even if it does go lower, a little lower, I'm just going to continue to accumulate. So once it's at its lowest points, ain't too much more they could do, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, man, because we's about to be on a ball come next week. We got a lot of plays that we've been calling out, guys. I'm talking, about 7 for 0 right now. Of course, we done called out some terrible plays in the past. We all do. Like I told you guys, you got to know exactly. You got to know how to operate. You your own CEO. You got to know how to get out of plays quickly. You got to know how to let plays run and ride and get your profits. You got to know how to take profits. You got to know quality over quantity. You got to know all these things. You got to know when to hold them. You got to know when to fold them, guys. And getting in VIP, I let you guys know exactly where I'm getting in and where I'm getting out, and strike prices if I'm doing options. I let you know all the details, guys. But I don't want nobody to be a copycat and just copy me. I want you guys to even try to get in at better prices than me and also get more profits than me. So that's the thing over here, guys. I want you guys to be doing better than me. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at some of these plays right here, what we taking a look at. We taking, dang, fly, about the thing gonna make me trip out on them. We got dang on Coinbase right here, as you guys can see. Ain't gonna pay one up. We got Coinbase. We had a lot of naysayers talking trash about Coinbase, but Coinbase going crazy, as you can see. We up $600 on Coinbase. We up a little 600 piece. Carvana, come on, flies. Carvana, another play, guys. We up 360 on that. Carvana, man, trying to flip this thing around. Snapchat, we up big on that. We up 56%, up what, $2,000. You can see that. Upstart, up big. AMC up. So guys, all these plays, even Baba, we call Baba, that's even up. So guys, we got all these plays running right now. I'm pretty sure next week it's gonna be a whole lot of more plays, guys, coming into action. Like I say, don't be having all your eggs in one basket, all your money tied in AMC, so that way you can, you know, capitalize and grow your account and portfolio off other opportunities that's coming about. So is there a chance, guys, for AMC to squeeze on next week? Let's go ahead and take a look at this. It is possible AMC squeeze next week due to the executive orders that's going into effect. AMC finished this week strong, up more than 20% in gains. The movie theater chain surged 18% on Friday alone. Stocks have been on the free fall as the SPY and NASDAQ bring the stock market down with them. However, both SPY and NASDAQ finished up 6% this week, which could indicate a potential reversal on the way, guys. Like I told you guys, I believe so. It's now costing short sellers a lot more money to short AMC stock. A major change has happened in the past week. The cost to short AMC stock has dramatically increased from 2% to 7.7%, guys. That's almost, you know, a 370% increase. That's insane. Short sellers are now paying more to short AMC stock. This is a pattern long-term AMC shareholders are familiar with. AMC short borrow fee began to rise last year, moments before the stock saw big price action. And an increasing fee incentivized a small percentage of short sellers to close their positions, driving the stock price up. Today, there are more short sellers in AMC than there were when the stock price soared to $72 per share. But for the ones that was watching it for details like a hawk, we know it went as high as 77 in the pre-market. AMC's current reported short interest is 23.2%. The number of shares on loan are in the all-time high, meaning there are more shares now that have to be returned than there were during the AMC's run to $20 and to $72 per share. AMC has the perfect short squeeze setup. And as the fee rises to short AMC stock, short sellers will have to make the decision to either deal with it or close out their short position, guys. So guys, this thing is looking good, and especially if we can continue to see this reversal with the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ continue to... What the fuck? Hey! Put them dogs up! Man, you can't even make a video. But you guys get it, man. You guys get it. My opinion on it, I do believe this thing could squeeze soon. But next week is going to be, you know, next week is a little too soon, I believe. Because the market is going to be, you know, spiking crazy next week. But it's also going to pull back drastically next week. So be prepared for that. But like as I was saying in the beginning of the video, I don't think the market is going to go back to the lowest points that we experienced and possibly even go lower than them points, which a lot of investors are expecting us to do. I believe we'll continue to create higher lows as we spike up 30-40%. We'll give back half of those gains or a little bit over half, then hit another spike going up 40-50% just to do the same thing as we continue to elevate and build a trend to where we're turning to a bullish market, guys. So as we do that, I do believe AMC, GME, meme stocks is going to benefit crazy off of the reversal of the overall market, because we know we're on the same frequency as the market right now. But before, AMC, GME, meme stocks supposed to be on the opposite frequency. As the market is crashing, AMC, GME supposed to be squeezing through the roof, and as the market is going up, meme stocks supposed to be crashing. But now we're on the same type of time.